Hello guys, it's the Clarksones. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to a new video and welcome to Aston Martin Victor. So I've decided to do short walkthroughs of cars like this using my Photos app in my laptop and showing you all around the car what I know and what's it all about. I love cars and I have been into cars since my entire childhood, so I want to persevere in this hobby and show you around the cars, and I do photos and all and talk you through what's the powers, the specs and the looks and what I think about it. So if you do like the video, do follow my channel, do like and subscribe it, and without further ado, let's get on with it. So the Aston Martin Victor. Well, it was unveiled at Concourse of Elegance just recently at Hampton Court in England, and as you can see, it's a one-off by Aston Martin Q. It's a division within Aston Martin that deals with specializing customer cars into levels that is unpredictable, like specing cars to the highest, and this Victor is no exception. So it's based on the Vulcan and 177. You can see 177 traits in this portion here, and you can see a bit of Vulcan in this part as well. The looks are totally bonkers, and you can see some old Vantage style at the front that were there in 1970s as well. And this car is not one off, as I said, and let me show you another part of it. Yeah, the side profile is absolutely mind-boggling. I like the wheels and I like the specification. As you can see, some gold accents that goes all the way to the back. This whole part is totally reminiscent to the 177, and this side exit tailpipes is totally remind you of Vulcan. I dig the wheels as well. It's quite a beautiful design as too, and as you can see from the side, it has round tail lights, and you can see the famous Aston Martin grille, the old Vantage style as you get, and it looks, and this stance at this stand is quite angry and quite beautiful. So let's talk about the engine. It has, like 177, a 7.3 liter V12, which was further improved by Cosworth. So it now produces 840 horsepower and 606 foot-pounds of torque. And you won't believe this, it has a manual gearbox. Yes, 840 horsepower V12 with a manual. That doesn't get better, does it? So let's talk about the back part of the car. You can see this ducktail spoiler that's integrated into the bodywork itself. You can see the Aston Martin logo and the tail light inspired by the Vulcan as well. I'll show you another side of it. You can see the massive diffuser underneath that is important for downforce. I won't show it will be doing any track work as such, but we shall see in the future. And look at those tail lights. You can see this is a spoiler that goes up, and you can see these red, almost 3D like tail lights that improves the looks of the car. It's very beautiful and quite intricate design. Let's come on into interior, which is quite reminiscent of the Vulcan. You can see the Vulcan design steering wheel, and this is the manual transmission. There are two screens, and there's nothing much to it. It's quite a focused car with quite a lot of elegance, quite a throwback to the old style, and that's pretty much about it. So if you enjoyed this short walkthrough of the Victor, do let me know in the comments what I should be doing in the future, and whether I should be continuing my videos like this. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you again later next time. Thank you.